So I'm doing a updated tutorial on how to use the digital phoroptor. So once you open the iPad, you click on the VX65. And actually discover the login is actually right here. You click on the person icon and you click on VX65 user, and that actually logs you right in without password. Yeah, that's it. So it's a lot easier than having to make a account each time. Okay, and then this will load a while. Okay, once it's started up, the name and the date of birth doesn't matter. You can click on next to start your reflection, and you can click on this to change the PD, and it will respond right here. You can press plus and minus to increase or decrease the PD size, and then when you're ready to do the right eye, you click on the right and click on the sphere power. Then you can change the sphere power, and you can change the chart by going up and down the VA. You can do a whole line or a single word, or 3 lines at a time. Yeah. And for the symbolism, I usually do I usually don't do JCC for the power. I just go plus minus to refine the cylinder power. And when you're refining this the axis, you can use the plus minus JCC function here, and then you can do 1 degree, 5 degree, or 10 degree increment, and you ask patient better 1 or better 2, and if patient select 2, you click the check mark next to 2, and you will switch accordingly by the increment you specify. So again, if you ask patient 1 or 2, and this time the patient choose 1, so you can click on 1 and click on the check mark, and you will adjust accordingly. And when you're done with JCC, you can go back to the regular mode. And same thing for the left eye. So let's say if you finish the left eye, you can if you want to do binocular balance, you can manually add the plus to 5 patient, and you can do the 6 base up to separate the 2 lines. So, and you can refine, the patient should see double numbers here. You can refine the prescription until they see about equally, and then you can go back to the regular mode and defog them to 2020. And then when you're done with that, you can click on the add to refine the add with the rod. Now this rod is held together by magnet, so if you shake it a little bit, you actually come down. We try to yeah, when I move the machine, the phoroptor, I actually put my hand over here to prevent it from falling. Yeah, I think later on I'll probably add like a Velcro here to make it more stable. But yeah, just be careful with this, or it can actually come down if you shake it a little bit too hard. And for the ad, is you click on the ad, and then you can do different increment of ad, and you can refine it accordingly. That's pretty straightforward. For the prism, you can use this, and if you do plus, it will be base in, but you have to do minus on the left eye to do base in. So you can look at the graph here to get a idea where the prism is. You can do plus for base up, same thing in the left eye, but it doesn't give you that quarter increment. So yeah, that's it for the prism. And if you like certain setting, you can actually try not to reset. If you reset, everything will become 0 and the increment will become 1. But if you usually like to work with like 5 or 10 degree increment, then not resetting will keep the setting the same. So you don't have, for the next patient, you don't have to go from 1 to the 5. So it save you one extra click. So yeah, I think that's it. Actually, one more thing. If you accidentally get disconnected, like sometimes you say Wi-Fi lost connection, you can try to reconnect the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it will say like for some reason it should be connected to 2020 now. It doesn't matter 2 gig or 5 gig. If it shows, it says it's wrong password, actually you can just restart the iPad and it should work. If the phoroptor doesn't seem to have be controllable with the iPad, it might lost connection. Make sure the Bluetooth is on, and you can go to setting connection, and you can try to renew connection and make sure this is connected. Yeah, so renew connection basically disconnect it, and then you have to manually check it to reconnect it, and when you connect it, there should be a sound. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, the sound you're gonna hear is that clicking sound you see it. And if you have any question, feel free to text me or email me. Thank you.